The 39th match of IPL 2025 will see the Kolkata Knight Riders locking horns with the Gujarat Titans on April 21st at the iconic Eden Gardens, Kolkata. KKR are currently sitting on the 6th position on the points table with 3 wins out of 7 matches. They put up a good fight in their last match but ended up losing to Punjab Kings by 16 runs. Youngster Ankuresh Raghuvanshi showed promise with a composed 37-run knock. On the other hand, Gujarat Titans have been the best performing teams of this season. With 5 wins in 7 games, they sit comfortably near the top. In their last match against Delhi Capitals, Jos Buttler smashed a special 97-run knock to guide them to a convincing 7-wicket win. Moving on to head-to-head record between these two teams. Matches played 3. KKR wins 1. Gujarat Titans wins 2. Moving on to the weather and pitch report. Expect a warm evening with the temperatures around 32 degrees Celsius with broken clouds over Kolkata. The Eden Gardens pitch has been batting friendly this season with a good amount of pace and bounce. Seamers will get assistance early on, but batters will dominate. The average first inning score here is around 205 runs, and chasing teams have struggled here, having win percentage of just 39%. Moving on to where to watch. TV broadcast, Star Sports Network. Live streaming, Jio Hotstar application and website. Moving on to predicted playing 11s of both the teams. Firstly, the Kolkata Knight Riders. Quinton de Kock, the wicket-keeper, opening alongside Sunil Narine, having Ajinkya Rahane, the captain, at number 3, Venkatesh Iyer at number 4, Rinku Singh at number 5, Andrew Russell at number 6, Ramandeep Singh at number 7, Vaibhav Arora at number 8, Henrik Nokia at number 9, Harshit Rana at number 10, Varun Chakravarti at number 11, and Ankuresh Raghuvanshi can come in as the impact player. Moving on to the Gujarat Titans, Shubman Gill, the captain, opening alongside Sai Sudarshan, having Jos Buttler, the wicketkeeper, at number 3, Shah Rukh Khan at number 4, Rahul Tewatia at number 5, Rashid Khan at number 6, Arshad Khan at number 7, Sai Kishore at number 8, Mohammad Siraj at number 9, Prasidh Krishna at number 10, Ishant Sharma at number 11, and Sherfin Rutherford can come in as the impact player. Moving on to Dream 11 fantasy tips and predictions. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Jos Buttler, in red-hot form, recently scored 97 runs. Sunil Narine, a key all-rounder who offers value both with bat and ball. Moving on to the top picks. Ajinkya Rahane has looked elegant and consistent in the top order. Sai Sudarshan, a steady contributor and known for his calm temperament. Moving on to the budget picks. Andrew Russell, explosive all-rounder and fantasy favourite. Sai Kishore, a useful middle-over spinner with wicket-taking ability. Moving on to the players to avoid. Anukul Roy, yet to play in this season. Rahul Tewatia hasn't made much of an impact so far. Now the expert advice for this match. Safe league captain is Sunil Narine. Grand league captain is Jos Buttler. Punt picks can be Sherfin Rutherford and Mohammad Siraj. An ideal Dream 11 team combination for this match is 2 wicket keepers, 3 batsmen, 2 all-rounders and 4 bowlers. Moving on to the creamy part, Dream 11 teams. Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Wicket keepers are Jos Buttler and Quinton de Kock. Batsmen are Shubman Gill, Sai Sudarshan, Ajinkya Rahane. All-rounders are Sunil Narine, Andrew Russell, and the bowlers are Varun Chakravarti, Harshit Rana, Mohammad Siraj, and Prasidh Krishna. This team will be led by Jos Buttler, having Ajinkya Rahane as the vice-captain. Moving on to Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket keepers are Jos Buttler and Quinton de Kock. Batsmen are Ajinkya Rahane, Sai Sudarshan, Sherfin Rutherford, and Shubman Gill. All-rounders are Sunil Narine and Andrew Russell, and the bowlers are Varun Chakravarti, Harshit Rana, and Mohammad Siraj. Now the final segment, match winners prediction. With the current momentum and Jos Buttler in blazing form, Gujarat Titans are the favourites to win this clash. However, if KKR's power hitters like Russell and Narine explode, Eden could witness a thriller. So stay tuned for more updates, match analysis and Dream 11 predictions only on your favourite channel, Cricket Addictor.